Hey, fifth grade. So today's Friday lesson is coming straight from my lounge chair. Yeah, so take 2 or maybe 3 because the toddlers will not let me sit in that chair and do work. Hi, fifth grade. Today's math lesson comes from the Red Wagon. Use multiplication to divide. So this is the happy thing for today because we all know how to multiply. All right, so if a sandwich shop, like Jimmy John's, prepares large wraps and cuts them into fourths, okay, and each fourth is 1 serving. William buys 5 whole wraps for a party. How many servings in all does he get? Solve it any way we choose. Okay, how could fraction strips, bar diagrams, or other models help you visualize the problem? Well, let's just use the sandwich. So, well, actually, it's a wrap. So William buys 5 wraps. So here's one of them. Okay, the sandwich shop, let's just call it Jimmy John's, cuts them into fourths. So here's 1 wrap cut into fourths. Each fourth is 1 serving. So this is for Dayton, who I call Jimmy John because he's so fast at math. This is for John. This is for Samantha. And this is for Ishkabibble. Okay, so 1 wrap, 4 servings, so that can feed 4 people. So if there are 5 whole wraps, how many servings does he get in all? So there's 1 wrap, so we'll do 2, 3, 4, 5 wraps all together. They're all cut into 4 pieces. So 5 wraps times 4 pieces in each wrap equals 20 pieces, right? So we know the answer is going to be 20 pieces. How many servings? Servings. 20 servings. So 5 wraps divided into fourths equals 20 servings. What? How does that make sense? Okay, this isn't like raise it up, okay, because we're not multiplying. So we can't just raise that up. That wouldn't be right. So let me tell you the trick. If you have a whole number divided by a fraction, I want you to think about this. What is the opposite of division? Yeah, multiplication. So instead of doing 5 divided by 1/4, we're going to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication, and then we're going to just take the numerator and denominator and switch them. So we're going to make this be kind of like the opposite of what it is. Flip the numerator and denominator. Now we have 5 times 4 over 1. 4 over 1 is the same as 4, right? Or 5 over 1 is the same as 5. So 5 times 4 equals 20. All right, let's take a look at the bottom. Write an equation that represents the problem about the wraps. Oh, just did that, okay? So 5 divided by 1/4. So when you see a whole number divided by a fraction, which is what we're doing today, I want you to keep the whole number the same, flip the operation to the opposite of division, which is multiplication, and then flip your fraction so you have numerator and denominator flip-flopped. So now 5 times 4 over 1, and 4 over 1 is the same as just 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So that's how you'll get your answer.
Brain break! Uncle Ryan ran 3 miles on the 31st a few days ago. Oh my gosh, look at him. He was so fast. Ah, good job.
Now we're going to take a look at page 541. These problems down here are exactly like what you're going to do today on your homework. So let's start with those. All right, so for these ones with the pictures here, use the models to find each quotient. Use multiplication to check your answer. So 3, let's say 3 whole pies, pumpkin pie. Alex made pumpkin pie, you guys, like a couple weeks ago. I was like, what? That's my favorite pie. All right, so 3 divided by 1/4. 3 pumpkin pies divided into fourths, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. Okay, so it says use the model to find each quotient. So we know the answer is going to be 12. 3 pies divided into fourths is going to be 12 pieces, right? Okay, use multiplication to check your answer. So this is where we do the flippity flop. Let's call it flippity flop since like Easter's almost coming up and it sounds like hippity hop. Okay, so 3, keep the whole number the same. Flippity flop, change the division sign to the opposite of division, which is multiplication, and then flippity flop your numerator and denominator. So pretend like it's like flip, like you can just flip it over. So now our 4 is on the top, 1 is on the bottom. 4 over 1 is the same as 1. Or sorry, the same as 4. Or if you want to throw a 1 under here too, that's fine. So 3 times 4 is 12, or 12 over 1, which is the same as 12. So we get the same answer, 12. Okay, check out number 7. 2 divided by 1/12. 2 whole waffles, and they're divided into 12ths in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's 12 plus 12? 24, so the answer should be 24. So now use multiplication to check your answer. So over here, we're going to say 2, flippity flap. The opposite of division is multiplication. Flippity flap, our numerator and denominator. So the 12 is going to go on the top and the 1 is going to go on the bottom. 12 over 1, and that equals 2 times 12 equals 24. So our answers match. We're good. All right. I'm going to do these really quick for you. So 4 whole waffles, and they're divided into ninths. So there's 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, 9 here. Let's see, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. So that would be 36. And if we show with multiplication, 4, flippity flap, the division to multiplication, flippity flap, the 1/9, put the 9 on the top, 1 on the bottom. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, there we go. And this one here, 3 divided by 1/6, so 3 pies divided into 6. So we have 6, 12, 18 pieces all together. And multiplication, we do 3 times 6 over 1, which is the same as just 6, 18. All right, so now let's check out how to do the last portion that you'll be doing on your homework. Draw a model to find each quotient. Use multiplication to check your answer. So here, they want you to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw 5 holes of something. I have to split them into 6, so I'm going to do circles. So 5 whole pizzas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To split into 6, I just do 1 line down and then like an X, and that will make 6 pieces. No, they don't look even, but just a human using one hand. Okay, so 5 whole pieces, 6 in each one. I know the answer is going to be 30. So let's see, 5 times, so flippity flop, the division to multiplication, and then 1/6 to 6 over 1, and then the answer will be 30. I forgot, I was going to do my video sideways because I think it comes up better on YouTube. Sorry guys, hopefully that works. 4 divided by 1/8, so 4 of something, 4 wholes, divided into 8s. How do I do that? Like that. Okay, good. 8s. Boop, 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 boop. And so 8 4 times is 32, so I know it's going to be my answer. And then we just want to show that we know how to do it. So 4 flippity flap to multiplication, flippity flap 1/8 to 1/8, or sorry, to 8 over 1, and then the answer is 32. Okay, and the last one, sorry about that. 3 times 3 over 1 is equal to 9. Okay, and then if I have to draw a picture, 1, 2, 3, cut them into thirds, hippie, peace sign, reminds me of a loofah grower, Auntie Susan. All right, so 3, 6, 9, so 9 is the answer.
Brain break. Took the toddlers to the pond today, and look what they found. Bleh. Ew, that's disgusting. What is that?
Okay guys, it's your turn. Page 543, I want you to do numbers 1 through 7. Make sure you read the directions so you don't forget anything. You can do it directly below. Go look farther down on this page and do it there, or you can do it in your workbook and then upload the picture.
Happy